I was just on campus so bored today, walking my way home. Then all of a sudden, I just had this bold feeling that said, "Go to the bank now. The school fees deadline is already here. Go and ask if they can help you out with the payment because you don't want to lose your admission. I'm a 400 level student and this is my final year. Just imagine not being able to meet up my school fees and I am kicked out." So I just have this confidence and I went to Fidelity Bank this afternoon. That's why you can see my head is already white right now. So I just came back from the bank, but on my way there to the bank, this is me trying to go and beg for the bank to pay my school fees. But at the end of the day, they said as at 3 o'clock they already closed. I wasn't very happy with that, so I thought about jumping through the fence. Then it come to my mind that okay, now I'm going to beg these people if they can help me out, and now me jumping through their fence alone, it's like treason and they're not going to take it very lightly. So I just keep it to myself and be like, okay, let me go and see what tomorrow is going to bring forth. Since we are also here in Africa and we believe everything is going to get better. So I just got this notification from someone who take my number from TikTok that she will be taking a photo shoot for me soon, and I be like, wow, okay, that's very nice. Then me getting a notification from her and she be like, I want to edit some picture. First thing that goes through my mind was like, this is an avenue to save up. So if I can have even 5k, 3k, 2k from this person, maybe I might go there into the Fidelity Bank by tomorrow to go and tell them I have so amount. How much are you guys helping me with? Because I have been banking with Fidelity Bank for not long, maybe 6 months. But I think even in a relationship not up to 6 months, boyfriend and girlfriend, they do share a lot, even more than 208,000 naira, which is my school fees. So I really have this big bold confidence to go and beg Fidelity Bank to pay my school fees. I don't know how it will feel like to go and beg bank to pay your school fees. I don't know if it's the bank that will pay the school fees or maybe you work inside the bank. I'm just having the confidence. So when I got the test and the girl be like, I want to edit pictures, how much do you charge? Then I told her I charge 1,500 per picture. So she be like, okay, no problem. Then she send the picture she want to edit to me and I be like, what is this? After seeing some of the pictures, I be like, guy, who took these pictures? I don't want to go there, but the pictures are not that good and I know that's why they brought it at first for editing. That's my work. I'm a picture and video engineer, so what are you waiting for? So me going to Beg Fidelity Bank doesn't mean I don't have an handwork. I have skills, I have what I'm doing, but just that it's not paying fast, it's not paying well. It's paying well by the grace of God, but it's not paying fast as I need it right now because I want to pay my school fees. So when I saw some of the pictures, I be like, okay. So after receiving the pictures, then we agreed on a certain price, which I told her 1,500, and she said no, she did not have 1,500, that she's gonna pay and that I should remove money. She did not price that alone. I'm already in love. I'm not pricing, her telling me, okay, how much will I do it, how much will I remove? So she want me to do it for my mind, and that's so beautiful. So I just use my mind. I'm also a human being, and these things we all do patronize each other. So if I go and patronize other people, I still know the amount they used to remove from me, and that also. From 1,500, I calculated the picture 1,200, and I multiplied it by the 7 pictures she sent to me, which is 8,400. So I sent a screenshot to her, and she be like, okay, let's make it a round figure, I'll send you 8,000 naira. So she credited me. After crediting me, I went straight to do my job. I start editing, I start doing what I'm doing. If you already know me before now, you should know that I snap good pictures and I do good video. I know how to edit very well. I won't teach how to edit for free. I don't know if you care to learn, but my channel name on YouTube is Create with Fruity. So if you care to learn, you can go there and search it up and watch 1 or 2 videos, because I also teach how you can set your camera. So if you're even using iPhone S or any type of iPhone, you can start taking professional pictures like me. So we iPhone users, we can use our phone to do multiple better professional tasks, even if we did not have a digital camera. So I went straight to continue my editing, and I edit. I applied all the wisdom in me, all the skills in me, because you know, somebody who took your number from TikTok, giving you your first deal, and you are in this period where, bro, you need all the deals you can have. So one job could lead to another, another could lead to another. So I handle all my jobs as gold. So if I get any job, I handle it like my life depends on it. So once I receive the picture, I start working, I start putting everything I have in me. 7 pictures are not much. I take nothing less than 10 minutes. So I just quickly do the whole editing. She was even asking if she would get the picture that same day. I be like, that same day you will get the picture now, just give me a little time, send them, credit me, and that's all. So after working, I send her the picture back. You can see the picture, I sent to her now, right? And she'll be like, these pictures are so fine. And she'll be like, I love them so much. So that's it. So this is me telling you, if you want to snap good pictures, or you already have picture which you snap and you want to edit them, you can send them to us for clean editing, and we charge 1,500 per pictures. But mind you, it's absolutely negotiable, because I have this mentality that 1 + 1 = 2. Just tell me your price, maybe I feel still for you. No. So bring this. Happy New Year.